Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to have a quick look at the BTC chart. And currently we can see the price of BTC is at 63, let's say it's 350. And in front of us we have a local volume profile of the range. But today we're going to focus on order flow. Now, order flow is very, very important because it can get you very good entries and exits while managing risk management as well. So we can see that in this profile here, that we could have took a long position here, long position here. We had a rejection at the point of control twice. So that could have been a short. And on this one, we broke above, retested it multiple times and continued up. But we need to understand what's really happening between the buyers and the sellers, the net longs, the net shorts, the delta. And that's all good. And that's a lot to learn. But today we're going to focus on a strategy that's going to be very, very easy for you guys to use. It's free and how you can actually profit every day. Now, you don't have to trade every day. You can trade twice a week, 3 times a week, like I do. It really depends how much time you want to really spend. But I'm going to show you a strategy now that where all of this is not even relevant. So even your price is not relevant either. Now there's so many different order flow softwares. So one could ask which one is the best. Well, there isn't really a best one. They're all relevant. They all do good jobs. So in front of us we have Market Monkey, and use Excel charts and Atlas as well. So Excel charts is good as well, and so is Market Monkey. But if you're going to use Market Monkey, I really recommend the paid version. Currently we're using the free version for the demonstration of this video. So what we're going to focus on order flow is what we call imbalances. Now, what are imbalances? So let me just show you what imbalances are. Right, so in front of us, I'm going to explain to you on this chart what imbalances are. So imbalances are also called fair value gaps. It's a price area where prices moved so fast that the trading was inefficient, which basically means that there was unfilled buy or sell orders. So it's not fair value. Now, this could be because of liquidity grabs, stop hunts. It could also it can also be because of institutional order flow, large orders being placed. So the faster the move and the higher the volume, the larger the imbalance becomes. And the markets always seek efficiency and balance. So price usually trends and returns to the imbalances to fill the gap. So what we're doing is we're trading the imbalance. So for example, if price goes up, it's probably going to leave an imbalance, and price will retrace back, or what we call a pullback, towards the imbalance. So you could take a short position here, targeting the imbalance. Now, this is very lucrative. If you do this day in, day out, it doesn't matter what price the asset is. This works on Bitcoin, everything, NASDAQ, you name it. So we want to really trade back into the imbalance. Now, there's a couple of easy ways to do this without complicating everything. So price returns and trades back into the imbalance, filling the gap, which is called imbalance mitigation. And then it makes a decision from there. If buyers step in, it will continue above and go higher, a bit like this. So it goes up, comes back, and continues up. So we can take trades based off these imbalances. You can take like a short there and a long there for a continuation up, and you can repeat this in the charts any time of the day. It's best to do it in a high liquid session like New York, Asia, or London rather than the weekend. Because on the weekend you get algo trading. So we're going to look at now imbalances from last week and how we could have took advantage of them. Now, I do take imbalance trades. this is only one strategy in order flow. It's a very easy strategy for you guys to learn. Go back and look at the charts on the relevant software and look for the imbalances, and we can always see those imbalances will get filled. So in front of us is a order flow software called Market Monkey Terminal. It's very good for showing imbalances. Plus, you can have a look at these imbalances live. It has low latency, so it's very, very fast. I do use this software, and I also use Excel charts, and I also use Atlas. But right now, we're going to focus on this. These green lines here represent local imbalance. Okay. And we also have a local imbalance above us. Now we can see that price actually this morning, early this morning, climbed up to about nearly 64K, I would say. And it came back up, but it came and left some imbalances. Now, this is algo trading, but you'll see this more clearly on a day. We can actually see this on this side as well. So what it did is price went up, broke above the point of control, but it left imbalances. And we can see that the price came back down and filled these imbalances, continued up, and we left an imbalance there. We haven't filled that, and now we're continuing back down. We have local imbalances here as well. Now, if we go back, say, to last week, we can see that when price came back down, it left an imbalance. Price came back out, back up, filled the imbalance, came back down, and filled this imbalance over here as well, wicked into it. So this just repeats over again, and we had an imbalance over here, and we also have a single print. Now, single print is where price moves so fast, and there was no buy. It happened with so much speed that there wasn't enough buyers and sellers that could fill their actual orders, and that happened here. You can see this gap here in this profile. Price came down on this candle, left a single print, and we can see the next day or the next session, price came back up, filled some of the single print, the big imbalance, came back down, and we have the point of control. Buyers stepped in. We can see this from this volume node here, and came back out and filled, came back up and filled that single print. And now today on a Saturday, we are just messing around in this local zone, which is not relevant at the moment, because on a Saturday, you can always get imbalances. Because why? Because you'll have the actual liquidity grab, stop hunt, all is happening on a Saturday and a Sunday, which is good, because if you just traded that, you could be lucrative. So I did take a trade this morning, took a long. Currently, I'm in a short, and I taken profit. I took advantage of this tiny range here, with no institutional traders, no nothing. This is just algo trading. So anybody who tells you that you can't trade on a weekend, this is a simple strategy. Just trade the imbalances. Now, there are other strategies you can use, but we're just going to focus on this one. Okay, so now we're going to look at some imbalances that happened last week. And these are some live recordings, so the actual audio isn't the best, but we'll see what my thought process was. And this was only for imbalances, not trap traders or anything else, just imbalances and how lucrative it can be, because you can trade imbalances on any asset class. It doesn't have to be just crypto. Okay, so let's have a look at that. Now, looking at the actual order flow, I can see that we have broken above the local value area high. However, we do have imbalances here, which we can see, but I also noticed that as price was pushing up, we were selling, or Binance was selling, or their traders were selling. So I also noticed that this was flickering really high, so longs were trapped. So this logic is on trap traders, and buy pressure was really high. Now it's reduced. If I go to a 30-minute, it's balanced. This means longs are trapped, and this actually shows me a lot of more information. Right, so it's about 30 minutes left till the pre-market's open. I've marked some levels off. Over here we can see some imbalances. They actually go all the way down to 64.5, which is the zone I'm interested in. We have the value area high here. We have London's high there. And we also have some poor lows here. There is some trapped shorts in here as well. They shorted a little too early. And the area that I'm focused on is really the 65.2 level. And also I'm going to add in this PLC level here. And obviously the value area low of yesterday's range. Now, why have I included this range? Because we saw a pump and we have imbalances on that side. And if I have a look at this, there's a lot of trapped longs at the moment, and the market maker's pushing the price up. So we can see that from that video, what I was actually looking at from that video, and there is an extended version of that video because we was also recording a webinar, is we had a push up over here. I could see trapped longs, but I could see also excessive buy pressure. And that was very, very unusual because it was before New York. To me, that's a trap, because if I look at different tick data and look at different time data, there was more entrapment and there was more liquidity stop hunts being attacked than actual real traders parts taking trades off the order book. This sounds a bit complicated. What I'm trying to say is you had longs stepping in, but most of the push up was created by algo. That's when traders stepped in. But I had already planned to short in advance, but I just wanted to get my best entry. So I entered here targeting these imbalances. Where did these imbalances come from? They came from the weekend. They were always going to get attacked. Easy strategy. I wasn't looking for any longs. So when we came into this zone here, which was here, I took a long here. I think I took a long there as well, but was still in this trade. But this was a perfect point to add. My plan was to add to the short position here. But what had happened is I didn't add. So I had an opportunity to add here, or if anybody wasn't short, they could have shorted here, but I didn't add. And the reason I didn't add to my short position is because I was teaching and there was too much going on. But during the teaching class, I did actually take some longs. So that brought us back down to 62,451. So that was a very, very good trade. So that brought us back down to this zone here. And this is where we initiate a reversal. So price came down. Now I took a long. Currently still holding this long and have taken a bit of profit at the single print here. And now we're just in this zone over the weekend. So this trade is actually protected right now. And that's it. It's as simple as that. You know, you can trade imbalances that are very, very profitable. So it's just one order flow strategy that I do use on a daily basis, which is very lucrative. Now, with order flow, there is a lot more you can learn. Let me just show you. In front of us is the order flow for BTC, and we can see shorts, 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 aggressive shorts, exhaustion, reversal. We want to trade the reversal. We don't want to be shorting here. This price will come back into here. Price first came back into this imbalance. We can see that there. Then reversed, trapping these shorts. And that's another lucrative strategy, trap traders. You can trade trap traders and imbalances together. You don't need to look at candles. You don't need to look at all the other indicators and all the other crap that's out there. Some of these order flow strategies are very lucrative. If you want to just come into the chart, we don't even look at the price. It's not even relevant. Yeah, we're day traders. We can look at 4 or 5 different strategies that work day in, day out for crypto and other assets. Now, if you want to learn about order flow and also some other strategies that I use and how to read the footprint chart, volume profile, the volume profile areas, what's relevant, session profile, liquidity sweeps, key levels, and so on, there is a webinar you can join. So it's a free training webinar. This landing page explains everything that's covered in there, and it's absolutely free. There's no upselling afterwards. You're gonna, get a lot out of this masterclass. The only requirement you have is to follow me on social media, and you can join this Telegram chat where me or my team will actually show you how to get access to the masterclass. Now, the masterclass is a pre-recorded actual course, but I also do live masterclasses as well. And I do these live masterclasses every Wednesday. And you will get access to this Discord where there is also indicators in there, free courses and order flow masterclasses. Now we'll be adding some more masterclasses. So I have obviously Bitcoin. We do have Nasdaq, S&P 500, the metals, and I'm also adding Forex as well. So it's more of a like a trading camp, based on order flow. If you think order flow is going to give you an edge using some of my strategies, we can talk about your strategies in this Discord as well. That's all available free. There's nothing for you to pay. I'm just doing this to grow my community. So yeah, the link to this landing page is in the description below. If you want to join the webinar, the next live webinar is on Thursday, I believe. Yeah, it's on Thursday, so this is a live webinar. And if you don't want to attend the webinar, and you just want access to, say, the indicator software, the knowledge, and say the courses, you still click on the same link, and my team will give you access to show you how to get access to the Discord. Now, this is limited, so it's first come, first serve. There's only 50 spots, and after this will be a paid service. Thank you.